The ocean, a giant mass of unfathomable depth, an unrelenting force of waves and currents, a place to drown, decompose, and disappear. A void that challenges our survival, and yet a most critical piece in our life cycle. As its surface evaporates, clouds form. As rain gives the resource of fresh water to the land, life on the planet flourishes. Welcome to Unfolding an Image. I'm Mikey Winsor. We're going in to the ocean today, looking at waves. Waves have a whole bunch of variety of shape and linear form. It's great to work with curling and rippling, things turning over and crashing down, foaming up, popping. You know, the ocean has a lot of work that the imagination can kind of move these things around, because it doesn't really have to fit into a seascape, but seascape is a great thing to play with. What makes all the different forms in the ocean comes back to the moon, and the moon creating tides. And so we have the moon moving the water that's on our planet, and so we have this interplanetary relationship that's, I think, is extremely interesting. It's like a deepness that we aren't just alive on Earth. We need the moon kind of to keep our system in balance. It's, you know, like a cool thing to look up in the middle of the night and say, oh man, look how far away that is. But then it's also like, wow, that thing is pulling the surface of our water towards it and giving us tides. I mean, it's really crazy. How do we paint something that big though? Like, it's such a huge amount of space and time, and like if you do a realistic little picture of the Earth, little picture of the moon to scale, like it's just, there's not much to really see what this relationship is. So we gotta get in there. We gotta get deep into the ocean, you know? We gotta let the passage of time kind of ripple away from reality and more into an expressive sense. It's just like a time-lapse photography. We're gonna see a whole lot of stuff that happens in a time period where it doesn't really happen, but it lets us see a bigger picture. So where are we? We're out at sea. We're capturing this moment when the water is going up into the sky, out of the picture plane, beyond our field of view, turning into clouds, and then comes crashing down on the other end of the painting as a storm, as rain, as mist, fog, whatever. There's a huge cycle of water going up into the air and coming back down, and it's critical to life everywhere on the planet. It's huge, it's booming, it's powerful. It causes devastation when it runs into human architecture. I mean, the ocean is an amazing source of life and a plethora of spreading that life over the surface of the planet. Thanks for watching.